Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best practices for repaying PayPal working capital fast. I've been there. You need a capital injection for your business, and PayPal working capital is fast and accessible. It's a great tool, but the goal is always to pay it off quickly, right? Based on my own experience running my business and using this service, here are the most straightforward strategies that actually work. First and most importantly, choose the highest feasible repayment percentage from the start. PayPal working capital automatically deducts a percentage of every sale you make until a loan and its fixed fee are paid. When you apply, you get to choose this percentage. I know it can be tempting to choose the lowest rate to protect your immediate cash flow, but that just means you're keeping the loan outstanding longer. Since the fee is fixed and there is no penalty for early repayment, the faster you pay, the lower the effective cost is in terms of time and opportunity. I learned that selecting the highest comfortable rate was the single biggest factor in speeding up repayment. Second, make strategic manual payments. Automatic deductions are great, but if you have a sudden influx of cash, maybe a large invoice got paid outside of PayPal, or you had a really good month, go straight to your working capital dashboard and make a lump sum payment. This is where you can truly accelerate your payoff. Because the fee is fixed up front, every extra dollar you pay goes directly toward reducing your principal balance, which in turn reduces the time until you're done. I always schedule these manual payments right after a major cash deposit, so I wouldn't be tempted to spend the money elsewhere. My third practice is to maximize your PayPal sales. This might sound obvious, but remember that the automatic repayment is tied to your PayPal sales volume. If you can temporarily incentivize customers to pay through PayPal, or make a push to use PayPal invoicing for outstanding client bills. The more sales processed through PayPal, the higher your daily automatic payments will be, and the faster the loan gets paid off. Finally, treat the loan like a temporary hurdle. Don't get comfortable with the debt. The beauty of this fixed fee, no interest structure is that you save nothing by dragging out the payments, but you gain peace of mind and access to new capital sooner by paying it off quickly. Keep your focus sharp, monitor that dashboard daily, and push your sales volume. By choosing a high automatic repayment percentage, regularly making strategic manual payments, and actively driving sales through PayPal, you can significantly shorten your repayment time and free up your business finances much faster than you might think. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.